Dumpster rental service in Decherd, Tennessee. Managing waste after a project is simple with our dumpster rental service in Decherd, Tennessee, provided by Freedom Dumpster. Keeping your home, business, or construction site clean requires an efficient waste removal solution. Our dumpsters provide the perfect option for disposing of debris, old materials, and unwanted items. From home cleanouts to large-scale renovations, we have a dumpster that fits your needs. Our reliable service ensures you have a dumpster when and where you need it. Flexible rental periods allow you to keep the dumpster for as long as your project requires. We focus on making the process smooth from start to finish, so you don't have to worry about waste piling up. Fast delivery and pickup keep your cleanup on schedule, preventing unnecessary delays. Our dedicated team is here to answer any questions and help you choose the best dumpster for your project. Transparent pricing ensures there are no surprises, giving you an affordable solution for waste disposal. Renting a dumpster should be easy and stress-free, and that's exactly what we offer. Let us handle the waste while you focus on completing your project. Call 931-307-1231 today to schedule your rental. Freedom Dumpster, your trusted partner for dumpster rental service in Decherd, Tennessee.